The most largest oil-producing countries in the world in 2023. Number 10. Brazil, 2.9 million barrels per day. Number 9. Kuwait, 3 million barrels per day. Number 8. Iran, 3.5 million barrels per day. Number 7. China, 3.8 million barrels per day. Number 6. United Arab Emirates, 4 million barrels per day. Number 5. Iraq, 4.8 million barrels per day. Number 4. Canada, 5.6 million barrels per day. Number 3. Russia, 11.5 million barrels per day. Number 2. Saudi Arabia, 11.8 million barrels per day. Number 1. United States, 17 million barrels per day.